Alright, welcome guys to another tutorial. So on this video I'll be teaching you how to link your CSS file to your HTML file. Alright, I've created a folder in my desktop. Now the first thing is to create a file. Click on this new file, click on it. Now the HTML file, I'm going to save it as index. So click enter. So where do you want to save it to? I'll save it to my desktop and I have a folder called HTML. Alright, so index. So the index will end with .html. So that's index.html. Click on create file. Alright, so this is our HTML file. Now let's create our CSS file. So go there also, click on file, new file. Let me come again, file, new file. So we're going to save it as style, enter. So we're saving in the same folder. The folder is HTML. So style, put .css, okay, create file. Alright, so we have our HTML here and our style here. So in our HTML, for us to run our basic document, just click on shift, hold shift down, then shift 1. So it should give you exclamation mark. So click enter. So this is our basic document for HTML. So seems something is wrong. Let me do it again. So shift 1, enter. Alright, so this is it. I think I mistakenly pressed something. So all our codes will be written in this body here. So the first one I'm going to do, we're going to bring our h1. So open your tag like this, h1, close it. So I'm going to write hello world. Alright, so save it. So go to your folder where you saved your work. Let me refresh this place. So this is the folder where I saved the work. So click on your index. This is our HTML file. I want to open it. Open. Right click and open. So this is hello world, right? Now I want to use CSS is used for styling. I want to use CSS to style it, to see if we have actually linked. Okay, we have not linked. Let us link our CSS to our HTML. Look at the CSS name. It is named style.css, right? So go to your head section. Look at the head section here. This is the head section. So before the end of the head, which is here, this is the end of the head section, right? So before that is here. So just type link. So as you can see, CSS, click on it, link CSS. So this is the code for linking CSS to your HTML. Now this href here, this part is for the name of your CSS. So assuming the name of your CSS is design, so here will be what? Design. Here will not be design if the name of your CSS is design. But in this case, the name of our CSS file is what? Is style. So that's why we have it as style. So save link rel style sheet href style.css. Do you understand? So meaning that while we are linking this our style sheet with the name style.css. Alright, so let's see there will be a change. So go to your style.css. So let's call on, what do you write? You know this is h1, right? h1, we said hello world, h1, right? So in the body, that way we are going to write all our codes, the body. So h1, so let's call on h1. So h1, so shift, then you curly braces, enter. So let's just say color. So tab. So let's let's change the color to red. So enter. So save. Then you refresh your Chrome browser. Let's see if it's going to have changes. So as you can see, it has changed. So this is how to link your CSS file to your HTML, and we actually tested it if it will work, and it worked. Right? So if you want to get your basic HTML document, Shift 1. I believe this video is helpful to you and you found value in it. Please subscribe to my channel, comment if you find it helpful, and also like and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss every other video that I will upload. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.